Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Administrative Affairs, Part 1, Infrastructure, Ministers. Narrated by Ibn Abbas that Allah's Messenger Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, "Indeed, Allah has helped me with 4 ministers. Among the 2 heavenly beings are Hadrat Jibreel alayhi salam and Hadrat Mikael alayhi salam. And among the 2 human beings are Hadrat Abu Bakr Siddiq and Hadrat Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu anhum, member of the council." Ibn Asakar has narrated from Ali al-Murtada that the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Every prophet was given 7 companions, and I was given 14 companions." Number 1, Hadrat Ali Murtada, Hadrat Hamza, Hadrat Jafar, Hadrat Akil, Hadrat Abu Bakr Siddiq, Hadrat Umar bin Khattab, Hadrat Usman Ghani, Hadrat Miqdad, Hadrat Sulman, Hadrat Ammar, Hadrat Talha, Hadrat Zubair, Hadrat Imam Hassan, and Hadrat Imam Hussain radiyallahu anhum. Caller to prayer, Muezzin. Hadrat Bilal bin Rabah, Hadrat Ibn Maktoum from Masjid Nabwi, Hadrat Saad al-Kurz, and Hadrat Abu Makhdura, treasures. Hadrat Bilal Habshi and Abu Ubaidah bin Jarrah radiyallahu anhum. Ombudsman for Bazaar. Hadrat Umar bin Khattab for Medina, Hadrat Saad ibn Sa'id ibn As radiyallahu anhum for Makkah. Prison for male. House of Banu al-Harth, Pillars of Nabawi Mosque, prison for female. Covered boundaries nearby Nabawi Mosque. Supervisors: Hadrat Muslim bin Aslam Ansari, Hazrat Buraidah bin al-Khasib radiyallahu anhum. Punishment and Hudud compliancers: Hadrat Ali, Hadrat Zubair, Hadrat Miqdad, Hadrat Muhammad bin Maslima, Zahak bin Safil, Asim bin Sabit radiyallahu anhum. Encroachment demolishers. Number 1, Hadrat Talha bin Ubaid, Hadrat Suwaid bin Abbas al-Ansari, Hadrat Malik bin Dakhsham, Hadrat Man bin Adi radiyallahu anhum. Official poets: Hadrat Hassan bin Sabit, Hadrat Abdullah Rawah, Hadrat Ka'b bin Malik radiyallahu anhum. Zakat officials: Number 1, Hadrat Abi bin Ka'b bin Azra, Hadrat Akba bin Amir, Hadrat Allah Hazrami, Hadrat Ma'az, Hadrat Umar bin Khattab Madinah, Hadrat Zahak bin Qas, Hadrat Atbiya, Hadrat Adi bin Hatim Taiba Bani Sa'ad, Safwan bin Safwan Bani Amru, Malik bin Nawera Banu Hanzala, Buraidah bin Hasib al-Aslami, Abbad bin Bashr al-Ashali, Rafa bin Makyas Jahni, Zabar Khan bin Badr, Qas bin Asim, Abu Jaham bin Hazif Banu Las, Hazimi Abu Abdullah bin Rawah Shahri Khabar, Ziyad bin Labaid Hazrimot, Abu Musa Ashari Suba Yemen, Khalid Aiza, Amr bin As Banu Fazara, Zahak bin Safiyan Kalabi, Basran Safiyan Kalali Banu Ka'b, Abdullah bin al-Tayba Banu Zaban, Aban bin Saad Bahrain, Muhammad bin Jazal Asadi Tahsil Khamas, Amr bin Said bin As Tema, Ania bin Hasse Hazari Banu Tamim, Abu Ubaidah bin Jarrah Shahri Najran radiyallahu anhum. Official camel rider, traveling guide: Hadrat Anjasha, Hadrat Bara bin Malik, Hadrat Abdullah bin Rawah radiyallahu anhum. Security official: Hadrat Haris, Hadrat Adra Aslami, Hadrat Abu Rihana, Hadrat Abu Bakr Siddiq, Hazrat Abu Ayyub Zakwan bin Qas, Hazrat Saad bin Abi Waqas, Hazrat Muhammad bin Maslima, Hadrat Bilal, Hadrat Abdullah bin Mas'ud, Hadrat Mughira bin Shaba, Hadrat Zubair bin Awam, Hazrat Mursid Abi Mursid, Hazrat Zakwan bin Qais radiyallahu anhum, night patrolling police. Hazrat Saad bin Abi Waqas, Hazrat Badal bin Warq, Hazrat Aus bin Sabit, Hazrat Aus bin Arab, Hazrat Rafi bin Khadij radiyallahu anhum, sword trainers. Hazrat Qais bin Hazrat Zahak bin Saf, Hazrat Abu Sa'id, Hazrat Ali al-Murtaza, Hazrat Zubair bin Awam, Hazrat Miqdad bin Aswad, Hazrat Muhammad bin Muslima, Hazrat Asim bin Sabit, Hazrat Qais, Hazrat Mughira bin Shaba radiyallahu anhum, personal officials. Hazrat Ma'ikib bin Abi Fatima Dosi, Hazrat Abu Raf, Hazrat Rabah Aswad, Hazrat Anas bin Malik, Hazrat Abu Musa Ashari, Hazrat Aman, Hazrat Salba, Hazrat bin Mas'ud, Hazrat Abdullah bin Mas'ud radiyallahu anhum, official Babas. Hazrat Muammar bin Abdullah, Hazrat Karash bin Amiyah ibn Skin, Abu Hind radiyallahu anhum, wa ma tawfiqi illa billah.